Hi, this is Mark Albert, and if you're listening to this, you most likely live at 317 Albany Street in Fort Erie. And I just want to let you know that Belinda and Brigitte, they are organizing an estate planning seminar. It's a senior's guide, and it's a private event just for you guys in at your location in the meeting room. You have to register and in advance because there's limited seating. And I want to share this with you so that you know. Now, in fact, I'm the speaker. I've been doing this for a very, very long time, and this is a little bit about what we're going to do. There's going to be snacks. There'll be free giveaway. You have to register with Belinda and or Bridget just to make sure that you have um, a seat. You're going to see this poster uh, in your building, and we're going to cover topics like how to pay less tax to the CRA. We're going to talk about understanding the difference between a will and a trust, and we're going to talk about how to avoid paying taxes on the probate, the estate administrative tax. It's a very burdensome process. I'll explain that. We're going to talk about the role of power of attorney and the executor because they're different, how planning properly can protect your family, and also how to minimize family conflict. So it's free to you. Um, it's going to be June 1st from starting at 2 o'clock. And it's going to be worthwhile doing it. So what happened was Belinda has attended one before, and Brittany wanted to attend one. So we decided, hey, let's just do one. I had some booked this summer, some other places. Wasn't convenient for Bridget so much, but I thought, hey, let's do it at your location, and then that would make it easier for them, and then we can open up to everyone else. So if all goes well, we'll have snacks and we'll just have a great time together. I have free giveaways for us at the end as well. So we'll talk to you later and looking forward to seeing you at that point. Take care. Bye now.